Albishirinku mutanen Abuja, ina masu neman lesson teacher wanda zai karantar da 'ya'yansu cikin gida tun daga matakin naziri har rubuta jam, to ku huta ga wani na samo muku. Bari mu ji daga bakin shi.
To, gashi yanzu za mu taɓa hira mu ji yadda abin yake. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, you need to speak louder so that they can hear you.
Okay.
So what is your name?
I'm Mr Jairus.
Okay. And what do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Okay.
A teacher.
Okay, a teacher. So I saw you having lessons with the young boy. You do lessons, you do home lessons, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what kind of lessons do you teach children?
Okay, I teach students or learners in the areas of English
Okay.
and
English
mathematics.
and mathematics.
Yes.
Wow. Like what kind of group of children do you teach? The ones in nursery, primary school, or even more than that?
I teach children from grade 1 to grade 6,
Okay.
just 1 to SS3.
Wow.
Even people preparing for JAM.
Okay, wow. Oh,
Also
that's
take further mathematics.
okay. Okay. Do you have any like set up organization you are doing that with, or you are just on your own doing your thing?
Not really. I teach in a school,
Okay.
so as my leisure time, or
Okay.
depending, or depending on the agreement, the time. left.
Okay. Okay. So where is your area of operation? Where do you live precisely?
Okay, I live behind Salasi guest house there at Karo.
Okay, at Kari. That's
Yes.
in Abuja.
Yes.
Okay. So how far can you go? You live in Kari. If somebody in Gorimpa invites you, can you be going there to teach?
Yes, of course. My area of coverage, as far as Abuja is concerned, every aspect of every area of Abuja is concerned.
Okay.
I even have one lesson in town.
Okay.
Adagwarimpa artist.
Yeah,
I
you
one
have.
there. Yes.
Okay. So if someone wants to like book you for like let's say 3 months in another state, can you do that?
Yes, it's possible depending on the agreement, the discussion.
Okay.
Yeah.
If it's mouth watering.
Yes,
You
if
can
the
go.
The cost implication.
The cost implication. Oh yes. So how are your fees?
My fees are fair, relatively fair.
They are fair.
Yes.
So they are affordable.
Yes.
So anybody can afford them.
Yes.
Are you
yes.
sure?
Yeah,
Or only
yes.
the senators?
Not really, not really. Not really. Not really.
Okay.
Yes.
So if somebody wants to reach you, how would you do that?
Okay, my phones, I have my phone numbers are there, and even the parents, I do lessons for their kids.
Yes.
Can also reach me through them.
Okay. All right, that's nice. Nice meeting you.
Nice
We
meeting
hope
you.
to have more interviews with you. What is the success rate of the children you teach? Do they really understand and make it?
Yes.
You're
By the
sure?
grace of God, I also pray for my learners.
Okay.
Not only teaching them, because
Yes.
there are so many factors that distract children
Oh.
from learning. So I take it as a priority to make sure that they get what I teach, and there are positive changes.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Okay. Well done. It's a good one, and we pray to have you more on Queen Amina TV. So keep doing the good work you are doing. We appreciate you, and we pray that this will go far. Many people will get to see, and you will get to be invited to other houses to teach more children. You are participating in raising good ambassadors, and it's a good thing. So thank you for coming.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Yeah.